The much-awaited rollout of third dose of COVID vaccine to begin from today. The precautionary COVID dose is going to be given to healthcare workers and frontline workers and those above 60 years of age with comorbidities in consultation with a doctor. My colleague Sneha Mordani with this report.
60 वर्ष से ऊपर की आयु के कोमॉर्बिडिटी वाले नागरिकों को उनके डॉक्टर की सलाह पर वैक्सीन की प्रिकॉशन डोज का विकल्प उनके लिए उपलब्ध होगा। ये भी 10 जनवरी से प्रारंभ होगा।
Finally, the much-awaited moment is here. India starts vaccinating its eligible population with the precautionary dose, popularly known as the booster dose, 10th of January onwards. Healthcare workers, frontline workers, and those above the age of 60 with comorbidities are eligible. Appointments for the third vaccine shot earlier opened on CoWIN. This is the online appointment facility. There is no need for new registration for those taking the precautionary dose of COVID-19 vaccine. The government has even said that those who do not want to take an appointment online can do a walk-in. There is no need for a comorbidity certificate to be produced before the third dose. Those who are taking an appointment or walking in must know that their wait for the third dose might just get longer if 9 months have not lapsed since you got your second dose. Also, if you're infected right now, then you have to wait for 3 months for your precautionary dose. Well, if you've had an infection recently, then again, you have to wait for 3 months since the day you turned negative. The government has also said that the third dose will be of the same vaccine given in the past to the recipient. Mixing of doses is not allowed.
The precautionary vaccine dose that will be given to healthcare workers, frontline workers and individuals 60 years and above with comorbidities will be the same vaccine as has been given to them previously.
Government sources say that there have been concerns about severe reactions in mixing doses, a risk they could not afford to take. Experts, however, say that this is not the best way forward and that using a third type of a vaccine for the precautionary dose should have been ideal.
There is a group of people who hold divergent view. They think that booster should be of different vaccine because it may elicit more immune response and protect you more. However, more research and more data are available. Till that time, please follow the government's diktat and immediately go for boosters.
The only outcome measures we have now are based on mRNA vaccines, which also have the ability to boost the antibody levels 28-fold, which is a lot more than inactivated virus vaccines as well as adenovirus vector vaccines.
Bharat Biotech, the makers of Covaxin, however, say the indigenous vaccine will offer long-term protection as a booster dose as per a study done by Bharat Biotech and the Indian Council of Medical Research. India, meanwhile, is seeing an exponential surge in COVID cases, courtesy the fifth variant of concern. As healthcare system feel the pinch because of the surge, the need to protect the vulnerable is non-negotiable. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for India Today.
To all our reporters who are standing by from different parts of the country, taking this now to Paras Dama from Mumbai. Paras, what's the situation like in Mumbai at the moment? And if you could just tell our viewers about the do's and don'ts and who are eligible, who are not. Is there any chaos at the vaccination center or things are going smoothly?
Chaiti, situation in Mumbai is getting worse day by day as we can see increase in COVID cases and Omicron cases. But the major thing is that from today, booster dose has been allotted and will be given to people above 60 and all the majors, health workers, or we can say frontline workers. And we are right now at Goregaon Nesco Center. It is the biggest COVID center and vaccination center in Mumbai. But the major thing is that people above 60 are eligible eligible or frontline workers are eligible, but you should have completed 9 months of second dose, then you are eligible for the booster dose. People are very much happy over here. They had came here and they are just waiting for their turn to go inside and have their third booster dose, as we can say first booster dose, but the third vaccination dose, it has already started at 9:30, and people are still, there are some people who are waiting outside the waiting room that soon they will get their chance and they'll go inside and they'll just have their booster dose. We have some people with us. We'll try to speak to them. Sir, you have been vaccinated. Your third dose has been taken.
Taken the third booster dose, और मैं चाहता हूं कि सभी सीनियर सिटीजन जिसका बूस्टर डोज ड्यू है उनको लेना चाहिए। सरकार इतनी अच्छी अपने को फैसिलिटी दे रही है और उनकी वो सेवा दे रहे हैं, तो अपने को उसका लाभ लेना चाहिए। और लास्ट जो मैंने दो कोविशील्ड के वैक्सीन लिए थे, उनके बाद मुझे अभी तक कोविड हुआ नहीं है। शायद कोविड हो भी सकता है, लेकिन बूस्टर के बाद अपने को मास्क भी पहनना है और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का भी ध्यान रखना है, और बने तब तक बूस्टर ले लो। तो मैं आप सबको बोलता हूँ कि अपन सेफ ज्यादा हो जाएंगे।
You are feeling safe now, properly, fully safe you are feeling right now?
ऐसे फुल्ली सेफ तो नहीं बोल सकते, लेकिन